Hi everyone. Today topics is simple machines. About simple machines, I have new words. Now I will write. Please translate into the Kazakh language or Russian language. First is it is wheel. What is the wheel? Second is axle. What is the axle? Third one, screw. What is the screw? Fourth one, lever. Next, pulley. Sixth one, inclined plane. Next, wedge. What is the wedge? Eighth one, torque. 9, lever arm. 10, center of mass. 11, center of gravity. And we know actually gravity is 9.8, but when we solve the questions we will take 10. Okay? 10 is easy. 12, equilibrium. And our final new word, pivot. Okay, those are our simple machines. And what is the simple machines? Simple machine definitions: make hard task easier. In daily life, we are using some simple machines. For example, scissors, cutters, knife, tongue, and screw. From those simple machines, firstly, I will start torque. Torque is multiplication of lever arm and force. What is the torque formula? Torque is equal lever arm multiplying force. And symbol of torque, T, lever arm symbol is L, multiplying force always F. And we know force unit is Newton, L unit is meter, and torque will be Newton multiplying meter. This is our torque formula. Okay, now how can we solve torque questions? Now I will show on the exercise. It is example. For example, in children park, we saw lever. It is like. And this is our pivot. And on the pivot, this is turning point. We have two boys. They are sitting like this. This is my first boy. This is my second boy. First boy, for example, it is 30 kilogram. Second boy is 25 kilogram. And first boy and turning point distance 2 meters, but turning point and second boy distance we don't know. It is question mark. I am asking. Okay, when we solve like these questions, how can we solve? We have to use formulas, torque formulas. First side torque is equal to second side torque. T1 is equal T2. And torque formula, F1 multiplying L1 is equal F2 multiplying L2. And we know F1 means first force, L1 means first distance between the first buoy and pivot, F2 means second buoy of gravitational force, and L2 is pivot and second buoy distance. Okay, continue. But first buoy and second buoy, I give weight of buoys 30 kilogram and 25 kilogram. But in this here, it is force. Now what will we do? We have to change kilogram into the Newton. 30 kilogram always, we know it is 300 Newton. And 25 kilogram always 250 Newton. Why? Because how can we find weight of objects? Double is equal from mg. Did you remember this one? G means gravity. It is 10. M means mass of object. And weight means, double means it is weight. Unit is Newton. Okay, for first buoy, how can we find gravitational force? Weight is equal, first buoy is 30 kilogram, gravity is 10, weight of buoy, it is 300 Newton. Second buoy is also like this. Okay, I'm continue from formulas. First buoy, it is 300 multiplying. What is the distance between first buoy and pivot? It is 2 meters. And second buoy force 250 Newton. And L2 we don't know, it is asking. Okay, can continue. 300 multiplying 2, it is 600 is equal 250 multiplying L2. Okay, if I take L2 is equal 600 over 250. L2 is equal, my result 2.4 meters. Is it right or not? Okay, I'm continue with the second example. Similarly, this is my second exercise. Again, I will draw lever arm. This is my pivot. First side, I have F1 is 480 Newton. Second side, F2 is equal 720 Newton. And distance between the force and pivot, how much? It is 6 meters. But between the pivot and second force, we don't know, I am asking. Okay, we have to use same method. First side torque is equal to second side torque. T1 is equal to T2. Okay, what is the torque formula? F1 multiplying L1 is equal to F2 multiplying L2. Okay, in this here, F1 I give 480 Newton and F2 720 Newton. I will put into the formula. F1 is 480 Newton multiplying L1 6 meters is equal. F2 is 720 Newton multiplying L2, we don't know. Okay, after calculate, what is how much 480 multiplying 6? Now I haven't calculator, but my result L2 is equal 480 multiplying 6 over 720. My result is 4 meters. Okay.